How to find face recognition settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find face recognition settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now just click this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and go down. Here you will find account settings, and here just go down until you find this one, face recognition. And as you see, that's how to find the face recognition settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.